Hey there, I'm Chris Panek, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Confidence is one of the most significant issues that many of my clients struggle with. Creating confidence in your life is a powerful skill, and it's a skill that you can learn to develop. When you lack confidence in your life, you're more than likely experiencing fear, and I want you to understand that confidence is a feeling, and this feeling causes you to create the actions that you take in your daily life. Confidence is something that you're able to create for yourself. Let's dive in. Think back to a time when you felt confident. Did you have an amazing experience? What kind of actions were you taking? Did you create the results that you were hoping for? Did this confidence and the actions that you were taking create momentum that helped you with even more action in your life? What were your thoughts about all of the success that you were achieving when you were feeling confident? When you are able to feel confident, you'll produce confident actions and results in your life. So many people think they have to achieve something great to gain the confidence that they're searching for in life. But what if I told you the confidence that you're looking for is something you can generate for yourself? You can generate it right now if you'd like. I'm not saying that you should pretend to be confident, or as the saying goes, you fake it until you make it. I'm talking about honestly feeling confident about something before you start taking action on it. Taking action from feeling genuinely confident. Think about going to a new networking event. If you walk into that event feeling confident, wanting to network with everyone, and genuinely knowing that you're acting in a confident way, your results will be much more different than if you walk into the event feeling fearful or afraid. Even if your goal is to want to network with everyone, when you're going into the event feeling afraid, all of the actions that you take will have that fear behind them. You'll likely talk to fewer people and come off as less confident. If you've gone to an event in the past feeling anything but confident, what were the results that you experienced? Confidence doesn't come from getting more practice, doing something more often, or having more experience. It comes from your mindset and how you feel. So what would you think if you had all the experience you currently think you need to be confident? What if you started thinking and feeling confident right now, even before you get the experience you think you need to be confident? If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.